Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So I just picked up this orchid potting mix. This is the coarse blend, and then the other one is the water soluble orchid food. This is the all acid loving plants. I picked this up from Lowe's for $4.98 for this small pack, but you gotta mix it yourself. And then the potty mix, I got the 8 quarts for $4.70 something. That's a small one with the 4 quart. It was like $4.89. So somehow the big one was cheaper than the smaller one, and then you get more value. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick. This is the special orchid food, which is highly recommended. It comes with this spoon for your measurement. It's a big one and then a small one. And then it comes with this bag for you to mix it with the water. It says for indoor plants, mix 1/4 teaspoon of Miracle Grow plant food with the 1 gallon of water in a pail or sparkling can. And if it is for the outdoor, you mix it with the 1 teaspoon with the 1 gallon, okay? And then apply every 2 weeks to help promote bigger, more beautiful plants. Anyway, I already showed you guys a tutorial on how to plump your orchid or rebloom it. And now we're doing the repotting tutorial for you guys later on. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, and drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.